So the way we can have group of transformations that act on coordinates such that in the first case we saw distance was invariant when we considered SO2. Now there is something called as Lorentz group, and whose elements they look like this. So instead of cos and sine you have hyperbolic objects, and they keep this kind of interval invariant. It looks weird. It is, in the usual sense, it is not even distance, but it is called as the interval in Minkowski space, represented as D. Now what else can be done? Some more things can be done. We can have something called as Galilean group. So this group also contains a set of transformations. Something here is written here. I will tell you what is this. So you can have this matrix inside this Galilean group G, such that when they act on the coordinates, so say they act on r vector and t. So when they act on r vector and t, this matrix, then you get new coordinates such that now under this transformation, what is invariant? I would say that Newton's equation of motions are invariant. Newton's equation of motion is invariant under Galilean group. This is quite interesting. So you can have symmetry groups not only with respect to distance functions. You can also talk about groups under which an equation of motion is invariant. You can also talk about groups under which a certain kind of Lagrangian of a field theory is invariant. Okay, so you can talk in this way. Now the next thing that we need to understand is Lie group. So now we have jumped to the idea of Lie group. So this is 3. Now what is the whole idea? Well, first we talked about continuous group, where continuous group we saw an example SO2, SO3, but not all continuous group can be Lie group. Then we saw the example of symmetry groups. There can be many symmetry group, but maybe not all symmetry group form Lie group. We have to check if it is so, but I don't know at this point. Maybe we will check if all the symmetry groups they form Lie group, or Lie group are some special kind of group that has certain property. So I would say that when I'm talking about Lie group, you should understand the idea of Lie group separately from continuous and symmetry group, because the property underlying the Lie group are a bit different. Again, our luck was good, and
Sir, I think your internet is very slow. I think its voice is very much lagging. So if you record in this case, the recorded video will also come like this. So it won't be clear.
Oh, okay. So Alam and Sonali, do you feel the same about the voice?
For me, it's okay.
If you're writing something, then I can't see it.
No, I have not written anything. I just wrote Lie group. I just Lie. So again, let's check.
Because here,
1, 2, 3, 4.
My internet speed is completely fine. It's 20 Mbps, 21 Mbps. So
okay, let's give a check. I'm writing again. 1, 2, 3, 4.
It's fine.
Vikram?
Yeah, I can see 1, 2, 3, 4 now.
So it's fine, right?
Yeah, but voice, sir, it is not clear that much.
Okay. I don't know. I have not done anything with the voice. So
okay, then let's check for this video. If it is fine, then it's fine. Otherwise, we'll try something in the next video.
Okay. So I think Vikram, for you there is some lot of trimming work needs to be done in this today's lecture. Sorry for that, but
yeah.
Okay. So when I talk about Lie groups, think of the whole idea of Lie group separately from continuous group and symmetry group. No doubt Lie groups are continuous group. No doubt certain Lie groups, they can be symmetry group for certain functions, but the properties of Lie group are unique to Lie groups only. So how the whole idea of Lie group developed? So let us again analyze the element r of theta, which is cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. Okay, now somebody left the meeting. Oh, it's Vikram. Sonali and Elam, can you hear fine?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I think some issue from Vikram's side. Okay, so it completely disturbed my whole mood of teaching. I need 10 minutes of some break because of the disturbance, and let's meet after 10 minutes. I want to start a Lie group in a very nice way. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, let's meet after 10 minutes. Vikram, let's meet after 10 minutes because the whole idea disturbed me a bit, the flow of teaching. Okay. Hello, Vikram. Hello, Vikram. Okay, let's meet after 10 minutes. I'll talk to Vikram separately.